Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying module pinout and powering the board. This matters because wrong pins fry components. Once done, connect 5V to VCC and G&D to ground, then test LED or pairing mode to confirm power. You should solder power lines before signal lines to stabilize voltage. Make sure to set regulator output to 5V if adjustable. This prevents speaker damage. Finally, isolate power joints with heat shrink so vibrations won't cause shorts while you continue to audio connections. Next, connect the module's left and right audio outputs to the amplifier input using 10 microfarad coupling capacitors to block DC. This protects the speaker and reduces hum. You should place a potentiometer for volume control between the module and amp so you can adjust loudness without distortion. Once wired, power the amp briefly and pair your phone. Observe signal LEDs and listen for audio. If you hear noise, recheck grounds and capacitor orientation. Good grounding is why many builds succeed. To finish, secure the module and amplifier inside an enclosure, leaving ventilation for heat. This prevents overheating and mechanical stress. You should run a full test sequence. Pair with multiple devices, play at low to high volumes, and check range and stereo balance. Once satisfied, seal the case but keep screws accessible in case you must reopen. If audio is weak or intermittent, first measure supply voltage under load and reflow suspicious solder joints. This single troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.